I feel like we're missing out. They are literally getting massaged.
I mean, we could buy from each other.
I've already voted for Kimo to go home 2 times in the last 2 weeks. And if he leaves this week, I can imagine he would not be very happy with me. So if I can use this veto to help mend our relationship, it'd be far better for my game than to have him bitter at me in the jury house.